What if your home could feel like a breath of fresh air, peaceful, uncluttered, and naturally beautiful? Have you ever wished for a space that looks effortlessly stylish, yet feels cozy, calm, and deeply intentional? That's the magic of Scandinavian interior design. It's not just a look, it's a lifestyle rooted in simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. In today's video, we're diving into Scandinavian interior decor ideas that bring warmth, elegance, and timeless minimalism to your home, no matter where you live.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What defines Scandinavian interior design, and why is it so popular? Scandinavian interior design originated in the Nordic countries and is admired globally for its clean, calming aesthetic. It focuses on functionality and minimalism, with each piece serving a purpose without excess or clutter. It emphasizes natural materials, neutral color palettes, and plenty of light, both natural and artificial. It balances simplicity with comfort, creating spaces that are not just beautiful but deeply livable. If you love design that's practical yet peaceful, like this video and share it with your decor-loving friends. What are the key color palettes used in Scandinavian interiors? Color in Scandinavian design is soft, subdued, and used to maximize light and create serenity. Use whites, soft grays, and warm beige as your foundational tones to reflect light and open up space. Add gentle accents in muted blues, pale greens, or blush tones to bring in subtle character. Use black sparingly for contrast, on frames, furniture legs, or light fixtures to add structure without overpowering. What's your favorite Scandinavian palette combo? Let us know in the comments below. What materials and textures define Scandinavian spaces? Scandinavian design finds beauty in nature and simplicity. Materials are raw, real, and rooted in the earth. Wood is the hero. Light finishes like pine, oak, or ash are used in flooring, furniture, and accents. Add layers with wool throws, sheepskin rugs, and linen curtains to bring softness and tactile warmth. Stone, ceramic, and glass are often used for decor or tabletops to keep the aesthetic grounded and clean. Want more material styling ideas? Check the playlist in the description for deeper dives. How is furniture selected in Scandinavian design? Scandinavian furniture is all about clean lines, practical design, and understated elegance. Look for pieces that are simple in form: low-profile sofas, straight-legged tables, and slender chairs. Prioritize comfort and usability. Furniture should invite rest and interaction without feeling bulky or ornate. Stick to neutral upholstery, wood frames, and multifunctional items like storage benches or nesting tables. Subscribe for more minimalist and multifunctional furniture ideas for every room. What role does nature play in Scandinavian interior decor? Nature is a central inspiration in Scandinavian design. It informs the materials, colors, and layout of a home. Bring in indoor plants like fiddle-leaf figs, snake plants, or simple branches in vases for a fresh, organic feel. Use natural textures, jute rugs, cotton cushions, wooden bowls, to ground the space in comfort and simplicity. Create visual harmony by aligning furniture and decor to windows, light sources, and natural views. Everything you need to bring nature inside is listed in the description below. How do you decorate walls in a Scandinavian interior without cluttering the space? Scandinavian wall decor is minimalist but never boring. It adds visual interest without disrupting the calm. Use black and white photography, abstract line art, or nature-themed prints in clean frames. Keep gallery walls symmetrical or spaced out to preserve a sense of balance and flow. Floating shelves with a few well-curated objects or books add dimension while keeping things tidy. Need more wall styling ideas? Find them all in the similar videos in the description. How can you add warmth and coziness to a minimalist Scandinavian space? The Scandinavian concept of Hygge emphasizes coziness, comfort, and well-being, especially in winter months. Add textured throws, layered area rugs, and floor cushions for visual and physical warmth. Incorporate soft lighting, candles, lanterns, and dimmable lamps to create intimate, inviting corners. Personal touches like books, handmade ceramics, or woven baskets add soul to the space. Looking for more cozy styling tricks? They're all in the description linked to this video. So if you've been dreaming of a space that feels calm, light-filled, and beautifully intentional, Scandinavian interior design is the answer. It's not about following trends. It's about simplifying your surroundings, connecting to nature, and curating a home that supports peace and presence. With the right textures, tones, and thoughtful decor, you can turn any home into a Scandinavian sanctuary, one that feels as good as it looks.